There are two visuals on the report page. There is a slicer up top and also a clustered column chart. For the slicer, year month name is the field, and for x-axis for the clustered column, day name, and the total revenue for the y-axis. And this is we have done some formatting, and we have added those data labels and as such, and I've also added a color for the categories. And this is the measure, total revenue. It's a pretty simple measure, and I've also added a dynamic format string so that I have my millions and billions and so on. So it's a pretty simple measure. And the whole idea is whenever user is making any selections, we want those selections to be passed to the title of this clustered column chart. As shown here, the visual is changing, but the title is not changing. So let us try to fix it. Let us try to create a new measure. Let us try to name it as dynamic title equal to, let us start typing out selected year month is and selected value, and we'll pass this column year month name, close the parenthesis, and go to the title and add it to the title as a field value. Perfect. And whenever user is making selections here as shown, those values are captured. If you can see here, if you make more than one selection, it is failing, it is not working. So what we have to do is we have to tweak this code. We'll do it step by step. We'll use switch expression true, has one filter, year month name, and else we'll say that for all the periods, this will be the default for no selections or all selections. Close it, and we'll try to test it out, and it is working perfectly, right? So more than one selections, it is the default condition is also working. So we can just go ahead and tweak this code again, and we will add another value here. We will use is filtered, and we'll pass the same column here, and the result will be, we will try to type it out for the selected year months of, because we wanted to capture more than one selection, right? So this will help us. We will add colon here and ampersand, and we will try to use iterator function concatenate x. It expects several parameters. The first, we will use values function, that is a table, and this is the column we are passing to it. This is the table for the concatenate x. And the second parameter, this is the expression, so we will pass this, and we will use for the delimiter, we will use the comma. And in case if you want, you can use order by expression. In our case, we don't need it. We will make sure that the syntax is correct, comma, and commit to it, and let us try to test it out. I think this is working. So more than one selections, it is working perfectly, right? Visual is changing, also the title is changing. Perfect, right? So let us try to go back. You can pause the video and look at the code. It's a pretty simple code to understand. We have created a dynamic title so that the clustered column has the captured values from the slicer. Perfect, right? So as a sanity check, what we need to do is go back, and we have to make sure that we select the slicer, go to the settings, so select all, and select all, click here. So it is working, right? Perfectly. All the values, if you select all the values are working. So this is cool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.